Prakash submersible motor engineered for heavy-duty agricultural, industrial and civil applications, delivering reliable performance with advanced components. Forward and reverse valves for pressure equalizing. Specialized sandproof sealing system for long-lasting protection in sandy borewell condition. Precision finished radial bearing bush with superior surface smoothness for ultra-low friction and longer bearing life. CED coated T-bolts for superior corrosion protection and long-lasting structural reliability in harsh water condition. India's only integrated concave rocker support for precise rotor alignment and ultra-low vibration, ensuring smoother, long-lasting motor performance. Specially engineered water lubricated Kingsbury type thrust bearing with high thrust load capacity for smooth maintenance-free operation and long service life. Precision machined rotor on advanced CNC machinery for superior surface finish and dynamic balancing, ensuring ultra-smooth vibration-free operation. High-efficiency electrical design for lower power consumption, reduced operating cost, and cool, reliable motor running.